Hello friend, welcome to my channel Interview Crackers. In a previous video we have done how to set up real-time database, Firebase real-time database. So we have complete the how to set up real-time database in a previous video. So in this video we have done how to create Angular 9 chat app. So in this video we have done how to add app with Firebase real-time database. So first of all, uh, type the command ng new angular chat is a project name. So first of all, open your BS Studio Code and type the command ng new angular chat. Angular chat is a my project name. So you can see it is show the option, would you like to add angular writing? So we can choose the yes. So if you choose the CSS SSS, so you can choose the option. So process is running. Once this project is running, so it is defined the angular project. So you can see our angular project is created. Now we can enter the angular project. So type the command cd angular chat. Now we can type the command cd angular chat. Now you can see in a folder structure, we can go enter the src folder. Now we can go the app folder. You can see here is the file app component.html, app component.ts file, app model app.module.ts file. So we can go the app model.ts file. Now we can check our app is running or not. So we can type the command ngserve. We can choose the analytic setting, so we can set is a no. Now process is running. Now this is compile the IL files like node modules, etc. Now it is a 100% compile successfully. Now we can go on the browser and type the localhost colon 4200 slash. So this is a port 4200. Our app is running. So we can go the type the in a URL bar localhost slash 4200. So you can see our app is successfully running. Angular chat app is running. So you can see there is a default screen of Angular. Now we go the Visual Studio Code dashboard and open the second terminal. Now we go now we type the now we go to the our Angular project Angular chat. So we can go type the command cd type the project name Angular Chat and click enter. Now we define the all component, so we can use the first component create login. So we can type the command ng component login. So you can see our login component is successfully created. Now we can go on second component, so type the command ng component room list. Now you can see second component is successfully created. Now we can create a component add room, so type command ng component add room. So add room is successfully created. Now we can go the component chat room, so type the command ng component chat room. So chat room is also successfully installed. Now you can see here is a 4 folder: add room, chat room, login and room list. This is our component. Now we can go the app routing module.ts file for set up the route. Now under the route bracket we can define the our path. So first path we can define the login, so we can enter then the path value login and we can use the component as a login component. Now we can import, here is a import login component. Now second one we can use the second component, we can copy in here. Now we can second component, second route is use room list, so we can import the room list and add in a path and component. We can import the all component, then we can use in a path. So first of all we can add component, chat room component, and last one is a room list component. Now we can use the room list in a room list component. Now we can use the add room, this is a path of route, and last one is a add room, chat room. Now we can use the component chat room. So this is our app routing.module.ts file is a complete. Now if we can URL is path is empty first, and we can switch the URL, so we can redirect to login component, so we can define the last. Now we can compile the all files. Now we can go to the app component.html file. Here we can remove the all dummy content of a Angular component.html file, so we can only add route routlet for if we switch the URL, according to route, so it is show the according to route component. So now we can save it. Now you can see we can refresh the compile and automatically refresh the page. You can see login is successfully work. If we go the second route, type the URL, type the URL room list. So you can see room list is successfully work. Now we can add the new route, add room. So you can see add room route component is successfully work. Now we can go to the login route. Now we can all component and route is successfully working. Now we can define the form in a login module.ts file. First of all, we have done in a container and add the CSS. Now we can add the CSS container padding 20 px. Now you can see it is taking padding to 20 pixels for left hand side, right hand side and both on side as a CSS box model. Now we can go now we can import is a Angular material in our Angular app. So type the command ng add @angular/material. This is storage the all package of the Angular material. So we can choose the theme indigo pink, deep purple amber, pink blue gray, purple/green and custom. So we can choose any theme of them. So we can choose the purple. Sorry, pink blue gray. So this is a asks for setup global Angular material trophy styles. We can select no. This is asks for setup browser animation for Angular material. We can choose yes. Now process is running. So process is complete. So we can done the Angular material in a Angular app. So we can use the all component of the Angular material. Now package installed successfully. So we can use the all Angular material things in our Angular app. So once we go to the in a app module.ts file for import the our Angular materials. Now here we can use the all material like mat form field modules, mat icon modules, mat inket modules, mat card modules. So we can import the app module.ts file and also import in a import section. one more thing is we can use in a provider. So we can use the in a provider date pipe. So in a Angular app we can use the date pipe. So we first of all we can add in a provider. So we can done the all Angular material, successfully installing the Angular material in a Angular app. So now we can save the all files and again run the app. Now we can go to the login component.html file. Here we can set up the form. So we can define a class container, and under we can define the form. We can use the mat form field like nickname, and one we can take in the button login. So we can save it and open the browser. You can see here we can login component successfully run with the HTML. Please log in using your nickname. So in the next video we have done how to implement Firebase SDK. We can use how to implement Firebase SDK, like how to connection with the Firebase real-time database. So in the next video we have done how to use and implement Firebase SDK with Firebase console. So in the next video we have done using the Firebase web API and database URL. So in this tutorial we have done how to create Angular 9 app with Angular material. So please subscribe my channel Interview Crackers and stay tuned for my next video. Firebase implement SDK. Thank you very much.